first option we have in the menu is the layout feature. The layout feature allows you to rotate, scale or group images onto one sheet without the need to change the original graphics. This feature also offers the ability to create customer-specific jobs, which helps to separate and identify the different jobs. The next button is the calculation feature. The calculation feature allows you to see what your toner and consumable costs would be before you send the job to print. You can create, import, export or save calculation sets as well as creating reports. The calculation setting button is where all calculation sets are kept. Here you can create, edit, duplicate, import, export or simply delete calculation sets. The calculation button is where all image calculations are saved. Here you can view or delete previously calculated jobs. The next button on the menu is the system button. The global settings button allows you to change the unit measurements and the currency settings used within the software. This is really helpful when using the calculation and layout features, as your calculations and image sizes use these settings. The other two buttons are the save and reset window position. This option does exactly what it says. You can save the position of the TransferRIP window any way you like. Start up the TransferRIP and the window position is saved. Clicking reset will take you back to the default window position. Next we have the support button. Here you can report bugs which you may find in the TransferRIP software. Simply fill out the form with your details, attach the image which you may be having issues with, and click Email Bug Report in the top right hand corner. The other option in the support menu is the Update button. This is where you can check for updates to the TransferRIP software. To update the TransferRIP software, please take a look at how to update the TransferRIP software video. The next button we have is the Register button. This is where you can register or activate the TransferRIP software. You can find your UN or GMID number and update plan expiration date here. Remember, the UN number is for the full version of the TransferRIP, while the GMID number is for the demo version. The GMID number may also appear if your USB dongle is not working or not connected to your computer correctly. The Profile Updates button takes you to our White Honor Transfer website, where you can download the latest color profiles for the TransferRIP. If you have signed up to our newsletter, you will be notified of any new updates to the color profiles. The TransferRIP software will not notify you of any new updates to the color profiles. The next button is the Online Wiki button. Clicking this button will take you to the online version of our user manual, where you can learn all there is to know about the TransferRIP software. The user manual can also be found on the TransferRIP CD. We recommend new users spend a few moments looking over the information here. The last button in the menu is the Quit button. This simply quits the TransferRIP software